Okay, hey, what's up? I'm Henry Smith, and this is my ECN 301 Lab 2 video. So here's my breadboard with my name, clearly written, Henry Smith. Awesome. And these are, this is the wiring that I did. So here we got, this is, I don't know, we can just call these like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So LED 3, or button 3 corresponds to LED 3, which lights up the collision light. Then LEDs or buttons 4 and 2 correspond to the driving lights. So you got an example here of drive right, example here of drive left, then an example here, drive left, drive right, and drive straight when they're both on. Drive left, drive right, drive straight. And then here, if you're going left, the collision comes on, it turns off the left LED, so it just stops it. So, they're so tight. Sorry. So off, turns it right off if it comes on, off. Okay, and then you got driving straight, they both turn off. The collision light comes on. Yeah, okay. Great, so the collision interrupts driving. Okay, then the outside 5 and 1 correspond to the servo up and down. So button 1, LED 1, servo up. Button 5, LED 5, servo down. And if they're both pressed, they turn off. So yeah, 5 and 1 are both pressed, then neither of those two LEDs come on. Then an example of driving. The servo is completely independent of driving, so you can servo up, servo down, drive straight, whatever. The driving doesn't affect the servo, and the servo doesn't affect the driving. They're independent of each other. So yeah, let's see if I covered everything. Driving left, driving right, driving straight. How collision interrupts driving. Servo up, servo down, servo together. Combination of driving and moving the servo at the same time, and that you can be in the collision state and move the servo. Oh, okay. Collision state and servo at the same time. So collision state on, servo still comes on. Collision state on, driving doesn't come on, but the servo, the servo does. So collision, servo still good. Yeah, okay. Sweet, so I think that was everything, and that's my lab 2.